We want to dance, dance, la 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 la, woo. And I'll spin and dance and I'll even break it down. Wiki, wiki. Oh, look at this new set. We finally made it big time. Ah, yes, I love it, don't you?
Divide, add or subtract, figure what the answer will be. You can do it with a little help from your friends here on TV. Math homework helpers, it's time, time. Math homework helpers, oh yeah. Math homework helpers, it's time, time. Math homework helpers, oh yeah.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Where'd my hat go? Everywhere you go, there's a flea in the Grand Motel, one in my neck as well, the sturdy kind that doesn't mind the show.
Max, what are you singing about? A flea in the Grand Motel? It's a tree in the Grand Hotel.
What? Why would there be a tree in the Grand Hotel? Trees are supposed to be in the forest, or maybe in your backyard.
Well, Max, during the holiday season, people cut pine trees down and put them in their houses, decorate them, and put presents under them. It's an ancient tradition called a Christmas tree.
What? You've got to be kidding me. I see you humans are up to your weird tricks again. Eating turkey at Thanksgiving, coloring chicken eggs that supposedly come from an Easter bunny, waiting for some rodent to come out of his hole to tell you if winter is almost over? What's next? Waiting for some chubby guy dressed in a red suit to climb down your chimney with a sack of gifts over his shoulder?
Well, actually, yes. We do wait for some chubby guy dressed in a red suit to climb down our chimney with a sack of gifts over his shoulder. His name is Santa.
What? You can't be serious. You can't make this stuff up. Humans, give the rationality of the puppet world any day. You guys are out there, humans.
It's the Christmas spirit, Max. Welcome, everybody, to the last Math Homework Helpers of 2011. This is Mr. Hobbs from Parkville High School, and this is Studi from Riderwood Elementary, and this is Max, who seems to be having trouble with the Christmas spirit.
Now you're talking about ghosts? Christmas spirits? Holy moly's.
Oh, Max. The prize wheel is ready to go, and our special guest spinner today is Evan from Pretty Boy Elementary School.
There he is. Hello, Evan. Welcome, buddy. We're here to help Baltimore County Public School students with their math homework. So, if you need some help with your math homework, go ahead and give us a call. The number is 410-494-1459. There it is. Again, that's 410-494-1459. One more time in super slow-mo. Ready? 410-494-1459.
Then after we work on your math homework, you get to spin the prize wheel. Okay, who's going to be the very first Math Homework Helpers caller on this fine Wednesday afternoon? Let's go to the phones.
Ooh, Joshua, are you there?
Yeah.
Wow, how you doing, buddy?
Good.
All right, you're calling from Norwood Elementary School, right?
Yes.
Excellent. So, what is your question for us on this fine Wednesday?
It's subtracting.
Ooh, very good.
All right, we're ready for it.
Go ahead.
It's 517 subtract 138.
Okay, so you're going to subtract 517
Yeah.
minus 238.
Yeah.
All righty.
Yeah.
We're looking for the difference between these two numbers. Well, let's take a look at what's going on in the ones column.
Yes.
It says 7 minus 8. Are we able to do that?
No.
No, you can't take 8 away from 7. So what do I need to do?
To go to the hundredths place. I mean, 100th place.
We're going to go to the tens place. I'm going to
Yeah.
take that and replace it, and we're going to put it over here. So now it says 17 minus 8, which is?
17 minus 8 is...
Count, start at 8 and count up to 17. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many fingers?
17.
Okay, that's good. We're going to say that the answer is 9. Now we're in the tens column, and we want to subtract 0 minus 3. But can we subtract 0 from 3?
No.
No, we can't. So we're going to cross this out and make this a 4. Now what should we do?
It subtract 3 from 4.
Okay, we're going to do 9 minus 3, which is... No, we're going to do 10 minus 3, which is 7.
Yeah.
And then we're going to do 4 minus 2, which is 2. So it's 279 is the difference. And to make sure we did this correctly, we'll take 238, and we're going to add 279. And if we did it correctly, we should get 517. So let's do 8 plus 9.
8 plus 9
is 17. Carry the 1. 4 plus 7 is?
4 plus 7 is 10.
Almost. It's 11. Carry the 1. 2 plus 2?
2 plus 2 is 4.
Plus 1?
Plus is 5.
There you go. We got the same answer, so we did this correctly. Now I know Max is ready to tell you what time it is.
Oh, I think it's a little past 4:30. That's usually when we get on air, if I'm not mistaken.
You're right.
Yeah.
But we're on the show.
Yep.
Okay.
So go on. Tell them what happens next.
Oh, I forgot! It's time to spin the wheel! Let's do it! Woo-hoo! All right, Evan, for your first spin. Ooh, very nice, and move up. We can't see the thingy. Oh my goodness, it's an MP3 player.
It is not.
Wow! Congratulations goes out to Joshua for winning an MP3 player. We're gonna send that right out to you, okay, buddy?
Okay.
All right, take care. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
You're welcome.
welcome.
Always be
Man.
nice and polite.
Evan, way to go, buddy. What a great first spin. Giving these kids an MP3 player. You're going to put us out of business. Anyway.
No, he's in the Christmas spirit. Great gift to
Oh,
give.
yes.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, there you go with that spirit stuff again. Callie, are you there? Is it Callie?
Yes.
How are you?
Good.
Sue, do you have a question for us today on Math Homework Helpers?
Yes.
And what is your question?
7 plus B is 7 plus B, and then there's this little thing, and there's a 12.
Okay, do we know what that little thing is?
It's like greater and less sign.
Okay, well, which one is it? Is it my greater than sign or my less than sign?
The white sign.
I'm sorry, what was that?
White sign.
Is it this one?
Yes.
All right,
All right, good job, Mr. Hobbs.
thank you. Is this greater than or less than?
It is less than.
No, it's great. Remember, our big open part always points to what's the bigger thing. Okay, remember, if this was like a little Pac-Man, we'd always try to eat the bigger one. Okay, so what's our question asking?
Which of the following makes the number sentence true?
Callie, can you turn your TV down a little bit? We can't hear you.
Yes, I.
That's
It's
okay.
okay.
Thank
It's
you.
okay.
So what are our choices, Callie?
The question is, which of the following makes the number sentence true?
Okay. So what are the followings?
A, B equals 3, B equals 4, C, B equals 5, D, B equals 6.
B equals.
All right, so we have B equals 3, 4, 5, or 6. We gotta figure out which one makes this bigger than 12. So which one do you think is going to make it bigger than 12? If you just had to take a guess.
D.
Which one? I'm sorry, D?
Yes.
All right, well, let's try it. We're going to do 7 plus 6. What's 7 plus 6?
Kayla, stop it. 7 plus 6 is 13.
13, very good. Is 13 larger than 12?
Yes.
Yes, very good.
That's it.
So there's my answer right there. That was a great job. You knew that right off the top of the head.
Mr. Hobbs, you said guess. What was the point of guessing? Was there something behind that?
Well, I mean, if we have 4 different answers to choose from, we just had to pick one to start with.
So maybe go with like the biggest number, right?
Yep. If we're looking for something greater than, it always helps to start with our biggest number.
Oh, very good. Cool. Well, Callie, guess what time it is, kiddo?
Bye.
Hold on, don't go yet.
In the wheel.
We're gonna
Good.
spin the wheel. Yeah, here it is. All right, Evan. Ooh, excellent. The double finger cross. Always a good.
MP3, MP3.
Oh,
Almost.
ooh, this is a good one too. The Magic Math Kit. Very
Wow.
cool. Do we have one of those lying around here? I'm not sure if we do.
I don't think so, Max.
Okay, well, we will send that right out to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks
welcome.
for calling. Oh, we have such nice callers with all
They
their
are so
manners,
polite.
pleases, and thank yous. That's so wonderful. Write it down, Mr. Hobbs.
Write down. Good manners?
Yes.
All right, good
Moving on.
manners.
Kimberly from Hot Springs Elementary School. Are you there?
Yes.
How are you today?
Good.
Very good. So, do you have a question for us, or did you just call in to talk about my fur?
No, I have a question.
Oh, okay. Go ahead then.
6 divided by 3,024.
I think you want to do 3,024 divided by 6. Is that what it looks like? Because we're going to put the smaller number. This is the dividend and the divisor. Do you know what the answer is in a division problem?
504.
Okay, it could be. It's actually called the quotient. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put inside here, I'm going to put the dividend, and then I'm going to put the divisor outside,
Okay.
and I'm going to look for the quotient. So let's start, and I'll put the quotient in purple for the Ravens. Does
Okay.
6 go into 3?
No.
No. So we're going to, sometimes we put a line there or we leave it blank. How many 6s can you take out of 30?
5.
There you go. We'll put a 5 up there. Now, what's the next step?
Subtract 3 and then
We're going to multiply 5 times 6, which is 30, and we get
30.
0. Then we bring down the 2. Now this is where it gets a little bit tricky. Can you divide 6 into 2? You can't, because this number is too small. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a 0 here because 6 goes into 2 0 times. Then the next thing we're going to do you know what the next step would be?
Multiply 6 times 0.
We're going to bring down the 4, and now we have 6 into 24. How many 6s go into 24?
4.
Exactly. So our quotient is, can you tell us what it is?
504.
Very good. And that means we have a 0. We don't have a remainder, so we've got an even number as our quotient.
Very
Good job. Wasn't that nice?
That was
Very
very
good.
nice. Hey, Kimberly, you know what else is nice?
Yeah.
What?
Spin the wheel.
Yeah, our prize wheel. Let's do it. Woo! Come on, Mr. Hobbs, let me hear a woo.
Woo!
All right. Here we go. Evan did the double thumbs up, and it is a desk stuffer. Oh, another personal
Nice.
favorite of mine. We will send that desk stuffer right out to you, Kimberly, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye. Thanks for calling.
Okay, bye.
You know, guys, that hat I like to wear keeps falling off. I got to figure a way to keep it on my head.
Glue. Super
Staples?
glue.
I have a very large melon. We'll figure it out.
All right, we'll
You
work
know what
on
I'm
it.
talking about, Mr. Hobbs.
I do. I
Yeah.
do.
Okay. Jair, are you there?
Yes.
How are ya?
Good.
And you're calling from Old Town Elementary, right?
No, Newtown.
Oh, Newtown. That's right. I forgot. That's the newer one. Okay. So, Jair, what do you got for us today? What's your question?
8 times 5. 8 times
All right.
5 minus 1 in parentheses.
Okay. Is that it?
Divided by 6 minus 2 in parentheses.
Ooh,
Does that look right?
Yes.
Awesome. So how am I going to start this? That's a lot there.
5 minus 1 is 4
Well, how do you know I'm starting with the 5 minus 1?
because it's in the parentheses.
All right, and what tells us we start with those parentheses?
Did you do 5 minus 1?
Well, you're right. I mean, but remember that, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally?
Yes.
All right, so we're going to start with the parentheses. So 5 minus 1, you said was what?
4.
4. Very good. Do I have another set of parentheses I got to take care of?
Yes.
All right, so what's 6 minus 2?
4.
4. Very good. All right, so now what comes next?
You multiply 8 times 4.
All right, what is 8 times 4?
32.
32. You're really good with your little multiplication
Yeah.
facts there. Okay, and then 32 divided by 4 is what?
8.
8.
Wow.
You just did the order of operations.
Good job.
Very nice. Hey, Jair, I figured out a way to keep my hat on. Nah? Looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Yep.
But we
Big
can't see your
improvement.
eyes.
Who said that?
Scott,
Where am I?
Mr. Hobbs.
Oh, I think I bumped into somebody. Hey, Jair, guess what?
What?
It's time to spin the wheel! Let's do it. Spin the wheel, spin the wheel. Wherever it is. Is it over here? I don't know where it went. All right, Evan, what do we got going on today? Oh, holy moly's hocus pocus. Ooh, good spin. And it is, a water bottle.
Ooh.
H2O is the science
Love it.
terminology. We will send that water bottle right out to you, okay, Jair?
Okay.
All right, thanks for calling.
Thank you.
All righty. Where is everybody?
Well, Max,
Huh?
we're right here.
What?
Here, let me help you.
What?
Oh, now I
Ah!
took the hat off again.
Mr. Hobbs, watch where you're going.
Sorry.
What happened? Oh, I guess we should move on, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Kayla, are you there?
Yes.
Are you calling from Norwood Elementary School?
Yes.
Are you in 3rd grade?
Yes.
Are you a pizza?
So.
Oh, nuts. I kind of want to eat some pizza right now. Anyway, what's your question for us today, Kayla?
It's a calendar question. It says,
Ooh.
Nancy has swimming lessons on Mondays and Wednesdays. How many times did she go to swimming lessons in November 2000?
Okay, well, we have a picture of I don't know if you could see it, but it's a calendar on the paper. Is this your homework is it the Spiral Review?
Yes.
Okay, well, it's hard for you to see the calendar, but I can help you. You want to find out, she has swimming lessons on Mondays and Wednesdays, so we have to figure out how many times she goes. So we're going to find I can hold up the worksheet and show you that if you zero in on it a little
There we
bit.
go.
We're gonna-
Whoa!
There's the calendar over here. We're going to count how many Wednesdays and Mondays there are in 2000. So M stands for Monday, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4. W stands for Wednesday, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Wednesdays. So she has a total of 4 plus 5 practices during the year, during that November swim time.
Right there.
Right, and the answer's right there. So the answer would be 9.
Yes.
Okay, that's it. It's 9.
Oh, cool. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, so she's going to have 9 swimming lessons in November 2000.
That's a lot of water time.
It is
Yeah,
good.
man, that's good stuff. Kayla, what do we do now?
Spin the wheel!
Yeah! Woo! Let's hear it, Miss Sturdy.
Yahoo!
All right. Oh, double crossing fingers again. And here we go with Evan. It is another water
Ooh.
bottle. Oh, which goes good with all that swimming. Very nice.
She'll get thirsty swimming.
Yep, you
Yep.
got it. Kayla, we'll send that water bottle right out to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good night.
You too.
Oh, thank you. I think I'll go to bed right now. Good night.
Well, Max, we still have a show left to do.
What?
We still have some show left.
Have fun.
Oh, okay. All right, so who's our next caller? From Windsor Middle School?
Yes.
All right, and what are you here for? What can we help you with?
I'm here. I'm solving equations on both sides with variables.
All right, and what's your equation?
3 plus 2/5 b.
All right.
Equals 11 minus 2/5 b.
11 minus 2/5 b. All right, so I've got variables on both sides. How am I going to do that?
Well, you want to get rid of the negative 2/5 b, so
right.
Going to add 2/5 b.
Very good. I'm going to do the opposite because anytime I want to move across that equal sign, I have to do the opposite.
Okay.
So if I have 2/5 plus 2/5, what's that equal?
4/5 b.
4/5 b. Very good. Did I do anything with the 3?
No.
No, so I'm just going to bring that one down. Okay, so 3 plus there's 4/5 b equals, what do I have left on the other side?
11.
11. Very good. All right, so what comes next?
You want to subtract 3 from both sides.
Very good. So we're going to subtract 3 from both sides. All right, what happens to that 3 and the minus 3?
It cancels.
They cancel. All right, I wrote a little too big. I ran out of room. All right, so then what happens on my other side? The 11 minus 3 becomes what?
8.
An 8. All right, so I have an 8 on this side. What's left on the left?
4/5 b.
4/5 b. Very good. All right, last but not least, what do I do?
You divide 4/5 b on both sides.
Okay, I can divide both sides by 4/5 b. Well, not the b, just the 4/5. Remember, we're trying to get that b by itself, so it's got to stay there. So these would cancel out. So what is 8 divided by 4/5?
10.
Well, I don't know. Let's find out. Let's check our handy-dandy calculator, see if that can help us. So
Handy.
8 divided by 4/5. Do you know what 4/5 is as a decimal?
No.
All right, so each fifth is going to be 0.2. So I've got 4 of them. So how many is that altogether? So I have 2, 4,
12.
6. How many?
12.
Not 12. So do 2 plus 2 is 4.
8.
8. Very good. So divide by 0.8 equals, the answer is 10. Good job.
Very nice.
Okay. Do you know what's another way we could have done that besides dividing by 4/5?
The reciprocal.
We could have done the reciprocal. Very good. I could have multiplied by 5/4. Great job.
Very nice, Aguela. I'm back, by the way, Mr. Hobbs. I
Ow.
couldn't leave for long.
Good.
Thanks for lending me your hat, Max.
It looks good.
You think?
Oh, absolutely.
I
At
have a
least
big-
it stays on your head.
Well, my head's a little smaller than yours.
I see. Hey, Zaguela, guess what we do now?
Spin the wheel.
Yeah, let's do it. Here we go. Woo, 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 woo. Okay, Evan. All right, double thumbs up. Here we go. And it is. All right, the flashlight. Perfect. Very cool. We will send that right out to you, okay, kiddo?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for calling. That was a good question.
It was.
Well done, Mr. Hobbs.
Thank you.
There's
Thank
a
you.
lot involved with that one, too.
There was. It was a lot of steps.
Yep. I bet you Miss Studi could have done better, but it was still good of you
Well,
to try.
I tried. I
I'm proud
tried
of you.
really
Well,
hard.
I was impressed. I followed right along.
Yes, I was actually just kidding. Mr. Hobbs, you do a really good job.
Thank you.
You just need to find a good, decent tie.
I try every week.
Yes, I know. I know you do. You try.
I do.
Anyway, wow! Look at that hat.
It's getting a little hot, Max.
It is.
I think I'm going to let you wear it
Okay.
because you don't have enough fur on you. You
Yes.
need more warmth.
I could use more fur.
I'll put it down here for you to get.
Okie dokie smoky. Alrighty. Lexus, are you there?
Oh, hello, yeah.
Hey, how are ya?
Good.
You're calling from Driveville Middle School, right?
No, Cockinsville Middle School.
Oh, park. Get it? Drive, park.
No, it's Cockeysville Middle
She's from
School.
Cockeysville. You're getting it wrong, Max.
Wait a second. Let me check these papers. Alexis, are you there?
Yeah,
Oh, you're calling from Cockeysville Middle School, right?
yeah.
That's what I thought. Mr. Hobbs was trying to tell me otherwise. But anyway, let's move on. So what are you calling for us today?
6 divided by 5 and 70. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
6 divided by 5 and what?
5 and 70 tenths, I think it is. Like
Does it look like that?
5.770.
5.70. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so how am I going to do this?
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I have to divide it.
All right, so we have to divide it. So how do I start? So let's set this up.
See how many times 6 goes in, 6 goes in, hello?
Hello? All right, so
Hello?
can 5.7 go into 6?
No.
Can't?
Well, what I think we're going to have to do is put a 0 here, and we're going to do 5 and 7 tenths, and see, we have to move the decimal over 1 because we're doing, we're multiplying. So now we want to put 57 into 60, and we can put another decimal point and add as many zeros as we want.
Oh,
So,
okay.
you get it? So
Yeah.
how many 57s can you take out of 60?
1?
1. So
Yeah,
we'll
1.
okay.
So the 1 goes above the 0,
Right.
and then it's 57 below.
That's
And then
right.
You subtract
And
that.
you subtract that, and what do we get?
10
10 minus 7?
1 and 7. 1, 7. Wait, no.
So it's 3. We're going to put the decimal point back in here to hold our place, and then I'm going to
Okay.
bring down the 0,
Uh-huh.
and we want to see how many 57s go into 30.
Okay. None?
None. So we're going to put a 0 there,
Uh-huh.
and we're going to bring down another 0.
Okay, so then it's...
Now it's 57 into 300.
Yeah.
So
Oh, that's
how many?
twice.
Twice? How about, well,
times?
6 times would be too many. How about
Oh.
if we try 5
times?
times?
5 times, okay.
Whoops.
57
Yep. So we're going to put a 5 and regroup the 2.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's 57. I'm sorry.
57, Mr. Rudy.
I'm sorry, Max. I'm thinking about the holidays.
Come on. Focus.
All right. I will. 57. Well, I still have a 5 there, but this is going to be a 3 instead. So 5 times 5 is 25 plus 3 is?
Wait, 5 times 5 times 25?
5 times 5
20.
is 25.
28.
Okay, total of 28.
Very good.
28.
So we'll subtract 285,
Mm-hmm.
and how much does that equal? We're going to do 10 minus 5 is 5,
100. Oh, wait.
and 9 minus 8 is?
15?
Good. And just,
15.
that's right.
Oh,
And then we put a 5 up in the quotient. And I usually, you can continue to go on, but I usually tell my students to stop when they get to the hundredths place.
uh-huh.
So the answer would be 1 and 5/100.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Well, thanks for calling.
Yeah, that's a pretty
you.
that's a pretty tough question.
It is.
It
You
is.
got it. You just don't know what to do with those decimal points all the time.
Yeah, man. Well, I tell you what. Let's do this. I think something that's much easier. Spinning the prize wheel. What do you say we spin the prize wheel, guys? Yeah?
That
Sounds
sounds
good.
great.
Woo! My hat's crooked. Here we go, Evan.
Dang.
And another water bottle. Very cool. Cool because the water's cold inside. Yes. Do we have that water bottle, Mr. Hobbs? Is
We
that somewhere
do.
around?
We do. It is right here.
There you go. Very nice. We'll send that right out to you, okay?
Okay,
All right, thanks for calling. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay. I have part of an eyeball showing. So I can't see much, but I believe our next caller is Jaden. Jaden, are you there?
Yes.
How you doing, buddy?
Good. How are you?
I am good, thank you very much. So, how's the weather?
Good.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yep.
Oh,
Yeah.
so,
Yep.
what about math?
Yeah. Oh, yes, about math. I'm sorry. Only half my brain is working because I only have half an eyeball showing.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense.
Yes. Jaden, I like you, man. Okay, Jaden, what is your question for us today?
12 minus 3m equals 18.
12 minus 3m equals 18.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so what am I going to do first?
Use the additive inverse on 12.
Very good, the additive inverse. So what's the additive inverse of 12?
Plus 12.
Well, hold on, the 12's already positive.
Oh, minus 12.
Minus 12, good job. So what happens to 12 and minus 12?
It cancels out or makes 0 pairs.
Very good. All right, so what do I do with this?
You bring it all down.
Bring it all down. So I'm bringing down negative 3m equals, what is 18 minus 12?
6.
6. All right. And what do I do next?
You divide 3 on each side.
Do I divide by 3?
Negative 3.
Negative 3. Good job.
Which is
That's
the
a negative.
multiplicative inverse.
Very good.
Wow.
Nice. Listen to his
Holy
math
moly.
vocabulary.
Okay.
That's impressive.
So the negative 3 divided by negative 3 is?
Positive 1.
Positive 1. Do I need to write the 1 down?
No, because there's always a 1 next to a variable.
Very good. And what is 6 divided by negative 3?
Negative 2.
Negative 2. Great job.
Wow. Very good, Jaden. You should probably work on the show.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Really
really.
good stuff.
He's
Yeah,
got
man.
good vocabulary.
Yeah, very nice vocabulary. Your vocabulary is gooder than mine.
Better, Max.
Better.
What's that? Oh,
It's better.
Yes,
Jaden
that's what
just
I
told
said.
you too.
Oh, yes. Anyway. Hey, Jaden, you know what we do now, right?
Spin the wheel.
Let's do it. Let's spin the wheel. Huh? All right, Evan. What's going on? Holy moly. Whoa! Holy mollies. Oh, my goodness. And guess what? It's an MP3 player.
Woohoo! That's two. Ain't it? We are in the Christmas spirit here.
Got that right. All right. Very cool, Jaden. We're going to send that MP3 player right to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks
Have
for
a good
calling.
day.
You too.
Two.
Okie dokies. Caden, are you there? Caden?
Yeah, hello.
Wow,
Hi, Caden.
you kind of scared me. Caden, what grade are you in?
What grade am I
Yes.
in? 2nd grade.
Whoa, very nice. And what school are you coming from?
Pot Spring.
Oh, that's a nice elementary school. So, Caden, what is your question for us today?
What did you say again?
I said, what is your question for us today?
I need help with the question of 5 numbers with a sum of 37, and the numbers that I have to choose from is 16, 15, and 21.
16, 15, and 21.
Yes.
And you're trying to figure out which two of those to add together to get 31?
37.
37. All right. That's kind of an interesting question because, let's see. Oh, I know which one it is. Well, let's add 16 plus 15 first and see what happens there.
Okay.
All right. What's 6 plus 5?
11.
11. We're going to regroup the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 ones is?
3 ones is 3.
So that's 31. That won't work because we're looking for 37, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's try 16.
Wait a minute. Can I make like a noise?
Sure.
Okay.
What's the matter, Max?
Well, no, because that wasn't the right combination.
Oh, that's not the answer.
Yeah,
oh, I
so
thought
that's
I was
why
doing something wrong.
Oh,
Okay.
no, that's why I went
I got it. Nice sound effects, Max.
Thank
Thanks.
you. I was working on that for 3 months.
All right, Caden, let's do 6 plus 1.
7.
Good. And 1 plus 2?
3.
3. And we have the magic number, 37.
Woo,
So I think
Wait, that's if it's right.
What if it's wrong?
Eh.
So this is right. Max is telling us that 16 plus 21 is 37. So you would choose the 16 and the 21 and add them together, and they will give you 37. Okay, Max, we got it. She got it right.
Hey, Katie, guess what we're going to do now?
Spin the prize wheel.
Yeah, let's do it. Spin the wheel.
Woohoo!
Very nice. Evan is in the mood. All right, another water bottle. Very cool. And where's that? Oh, there we go.
There it
Look
is.
at it. It even says BCPS-TV.
Yep.
What
New
a great
logo.
station.
Isn't it beautiful?
Very nice.
Yep.
Okay, well, Kaden, we'll send that right to you, okay?
Okay.
Thank you for calling Math Homework Helpers.
We haven't
Man.
answered one yet.
Oh,
Wait.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Okay. Dami, are you there?
Yeah.
How do you like my noises?
What?
She
You know
can't
what?
hear him.
Forget it. Let's move on. Dami, you're calling, of course, from Scotch Branch. How you doing?
Good.
Yeah, excellent. Are you getting ready for the holidays?
Yeah.
Excellent. So, what is your question for us today?
5 divided by 13.
Smell pretty good today.
Thank you. 13 point what?
What deodorant is that?
As you said, 5 divided by 13?
0.60.
0.50.
That looks a little tricky, Mr.
It does
I think
look
he
a little
got his
tricky.
dividend and his divisor mixed up.
Does your problem look like this, or is it 13 and 50 hundredths divided by 5?
That's right.
That's right.
All right, so our problem looks like this. All right, so we're just going to get rid of this up here. All right, so now we're going to rewrite this so it's a little easier for us. So we've got 13.5 divided by 5. All right, so now what happens? What do we have to do now?
Figure out if how many times 5 goes into 1.
Okay, does 5 go into 1?
No.
Nope, not at all. Let's put a little X there. All right, so what comes next?
How many times you can count by 5 but not skip over 13?
All right, so how many times can I count by 5s and not skip over 13?
Twice.
Twice. Very good.
All right, so 2 5s is what?
10.
10, very good. All right, so what do I do with the 13 and the 10?
You subtract.
All right, so 13 minus 10 is?
3.
3. Okay, so am I done?
No.
No, what else do I have to do?
You bring down the 5?
Bring down the 5, okay.
What about that decimal point?
So do I do anything with the decimal?
Put the decimal in between.
In between what?
3 and the 5.
Not the 3 and the 5. My 5 moved down, but my decimal point moves up. Because it's just little, it just floats. All right.
Cool.
So now I gotta figure out how many times will 5 go, or how many times does 5 go into 35? So how many times does that happen?
7.
7. All right. So what is 7 times 5?
35.
35. All right. Let's subtract again. 35 minus 35 is?
0.
0. So I have a 0. So now am I done?
Yes.
Yes, and my final answer is 2 7/10. Good job.
Very nice. Nice color choice there, Mr. Hobbs. I like
Thank
the
you.
orange very much.
Thank you.
Well, Dami, I know you know what time it is. What are we doing now, buddy?
Time to spin the wheel.
Yeah, let's do it. Spin the
MP3,
wheel.
MP3,
Woo, woo,
MP3 player.
Woo. Here we go. Wait, what was that about? Let's spin the wheel. Come on, guys. Spin the wheel. Like right Now, there it is. All right, here we go. All right. Oh!
Ooh.
It's a flash drive. Very cool. Dami, we will send that right out to you, buddy, okay?
Okay.
All right, thanks for calling. Very cool. That's neat. We haven't sold. We sold. What am I saying?
So we're not selling here.
No, we're not selling.
We're just
anything,
giving
I'll tell you
things
that
away.
much. No, we haven't had anybody win a flash drive in a long time. Very cool. Okie dokie. Let's move on to our next caller, calling from Padonia Elementary School. Jalen, are you on the phone?
Yes.
Oh, good. Well, we are in the studio and ready to help you with your problem, which is what?
Length times 400 equals 1,600.
That's a big problem.
All right, 9 times what?
Length.
No, length times 400 equals 1,600.
Length times
400.
400 equals, what was the answer?
I think we're supposed to.
1,600.
1,600. All right, so we have an unknown variable here. Notice how I drew the length as an L, as a cursive L, so we didn't get it confused with a 1. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to want to isolate this length. So we're going to have to do one thing to one side of the equation and another thing to the other side. So I want to get the length alone. So what should I do to the 400? What's the inverse operation of multiplication? Do you know the opposite?
Division.
Is division. So I'm going to divide 400 to both sides. And now I have L equals 400, and I'm going to put it into the caves, 1,600. So how many 400s can you take out of 1,600? Well, you can't take 400 out of 1 or out of 16 or out of 160, so we're going to look at 1,600. How many 4s go into 16? Jalen, do you know what 16 divided by 4 is? Are you still there? We
4.
might. Okay, it's 4. So the length is going to be 4 times 400 equals 1,600. And if we put that back in there, we know that that works because we're going to look for the basic fact, which is 4 times 4, which is 16, and then we're going to put 2 zeros on our product because we have 2 zeros as a factor. So the answer would be 4.
Okay.
Okay, good job. Thanks for calling in.
Very nice, Jalen.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right, you know what? I tell you what.
What?
I have an idea.
What?
To get my hat to stay on my head, I figured what I should do is I should wish for Christmas to have a bigger head. So here I go. I'm going to wish. Ready? Here we go.
No, you need a smaller head. Smaller head. Smaller head.
Whoa, whoa, what's going on? What's happening? Whoa!
It's doing the opposite. It's getting bigger.
Jalen, let's spin the wheel.
She's giggling at you, Max. She is laughing at you.
Oh,
there's
Evan
Evan.
has
He's
the
hiding.
hide.
Oh, I love it.
And it's another desk stuffer.
Ooh.
Very cool. Yes, this is so cool. All right. Well, clearly, I need to wish for a smaller head now. Here we go. Oh, nuts. Oh, well, I guess I wasn't meant to wear that hat. Jalen, thanks for calling, kiddo, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye. A very nice person.
Very.
Very sweet.
Let's move on. Kenya, are you there? Kenya?
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
Are you in an aquarium?
No.
Can you turn your TV down, please, for us?
Okay.
Okay. Wow, it sounded like you was like in an aquarium. It was kind of scary sounding.
Yeah.
All right, Kenya, are you there now?
Yeah.
Okay, you're calling from Pot Spring Elementary, huh?
Yep.
That's a pretty famous school today. We've had a lot of Pot Spring. So what is your question for us?
880 times 6 times 2. and 80 times 6 is, no, not 880.
Oh, just 80?
Just 80?
Yeah.
Sorry. All right.
And the 80 times 6 is in parentheses.
The 80 times
okay.
6 is in parentheses. Okay, so what does that 80 and 6 in parentheses mean?
That you have to do that first.
All right, I have to do that first. So what is 80 times 6? Okay, if I wrote that over on the side, 80 times 6. 6 times 0 is?
0.
0. All right, what is 8 times 6?
48.
48, very good. All right, so I know that the stuff in my parentheses is 480. What do I do with this times 2?
You do 480 times 2.
Very good. And what is 480 times 2?
960.
All right, well, let's check. 2 times 0 is?
0.
0. 2 times 8 is?
16.
16. So put down the 6. Carry my 1. 2 times 4 is?
8.
Plus 1?
9.
9. 960. Good job.
That's a
There it
big number.
is. That is a big
number.
product.
Woo! Product. Oh yeah,
Yep.
that's the right word to use when you're talking multiplication, right?
Yeah, that's the answer, Max. It's a product.
Yes, product. Woo, woo, woo!
We got it right.
Yep. Okay, Kenya, you know what we do now?
Spin the wheel.
Yeah,
Yep.
let's spin the wheel. Here we go. Let's do it. All the presents are falling. Oh, this is awesome. Sorry, Devin. Focus. Oh, there it is. And oh, it's another
Ooh.
water bottle. This episode sponsored by water. Very cool. Kenya, we're gonna send that water bottle right out to you. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Thanks for calling, kiddo.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Alrighty. Haley, are you there?
I think it's Hallie.
Is it Hallie?
Yes.
Wait, is your name Haley or Hallie?
Hallie.
Oh, I was right.
No, you were wrong. And
Ah! Love you, Miss Dirty. Hallie, please stop barking. Let's focus on the math at hand. All right. Hallie,
Okay. I'm
ahead.
finding the mean of the numbers 44, 27, 96, and 85.
you have very lovely hands, Miss Dirty.
thank you. Now, what does mean mean?
The mean is the average of all the all the numbers.
All the numbers. So we're going to have to add these together, right?
Yes.
Well, let's look. Let's do 4 plus 7 is
11.
11. And 6 plus 5 is?
11.
So what is 11 plus 11?
22.
So we're going to put the 2 in the ones column, and then we're going to regroup the 2. Now, we have 2 plus 4.
6.
Okay, 6 plus 2.
8.
8. And then we're going to do 9 plus 8, which is 17. And we're going to add the 8 that we just added right there. Now, what's 7 times 8? I mean, 7 plus 8, sorry.
25.
Okay, it's 5, regroup the 1, and the answer is 25. Now, we're looking for the mean. So what do we do with our, I'm sorry, it's 22. It's 252. I'm getting there. What do we do with this number, this 252, if we want to find the mean?
We divide it by 4 because there's 4 numbers.
There's 4 addends in our problem, so we're going to put 4 into 252. Now, can 4 go into 2?
No.
No. Can 4 go into 25?
6 times.
6 times. What's 6 times 4?
24.
I'm going to subtract it from the 25, and 25 minus 24 is?
1.
What should I do now?
Bring down the 2.
I'm going to bring down the 2 and start all over again. 4 divided into 12. How many 4s can you take out of 12?
3.
Good. I'll put the 3 up there. Now I'm going to multiply 4 times 3, which is? What's 4?
12.
12. I'm going to subtract it, and we have a 0. So the mean of these 4 numbers is going to be 63. So another word for mean is, do you know, Max?
Mr. Hobbs?
No.
Oh.
That's very funny.
Oh, thank you.
I just got that.
Ah, yes.
Mean is actually the average. So you have found the average of these four numbers by adding them up, getting a sum, and then dividing the sum by the number of addends that were in your problem. In this case, there were 4. So you got the answer 63.
Here it is.
That's great.
And bam! Just like that.
Just like that.
Just like that. All right, Hallie, what do we... Oh, wait. Hallie, right?
Hallie, not Haley.
Hallie, I'm sorry. Hallie, what are we going to do now?
Spin the wheel.
Yay! Let's go!
Hallie's brother, I'm your biggest fan.
Woo!
Max, I'm your biggest fan.
All right!
Bye.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Oh, and guess what? You got a mystery prize.
Yay!
We are going to send that mystery prize right out to you.
Biggest fan, I'm Hallie's brother.
Woo! Oogie.
Did you hear that, Max?
I just keep hearing a dog.
Yeah, I have a dog. Bye.
Oh, okay, bye.
Are you
Yeah.
shedding on me, Max?
Oh, that's my love shed.
Oh, your love shed?
Yes, you can take me home with you, and I stay here, but part of me will always be with you.
It's true, Max.
Alrighty, our next caller is Allie. Allie, are you there? Allie?
Yes.
Whoa!
Whoa, Max.
Yes.
Sorry, you scared me. Allie, how are you?
Good.
Are you calling from Futuretown Elementary?
Yes.
That's what I thought. Way to play. All right, Allie. So, your question for us today, of course from Newtown Elementary, is about expressions. Let us in on your problems.
72 divided by 8 divided by 3 and divided by 3.
Holy moly, that's a lot.
72 divided by 8 divided by 3 divided by 3 again.
Yes.
Wow, that's a lot of division.
All right, so where do I start?
At 72 divided by 8.
All right, so what's 72 divided by 8?
9.
9, very
Very
good.
good.
So I have 9 divided by 3 divided by 3. So what do I do next?
9 divided by 3.
Very good. So what is 9 divided by 3?
3.
3. So now I've got 3 divided by 3, which equals what?
1.
1, very good. So there you go.
Wow.
All that work for just one.
Yep.
Just one?
Just one.
Cool. Okie dokie. Let's do something different. What do you say we
Spin
spin
the...
the
Spin
rectangle?
the wheel.
No, let's spin
No.
the wheel. Let's spin the wheel. We gotta spin the wheel. Here we go. What's Evan gonna do this time? Ooh.
2 thumbs up.
Oh my goodness.
Double
the
cross
thumbs
fingers.
and double finger crossing.
MP3,
And
MP3.
what do we got?
Ooh.
Oh, it's the T-shirt. Very
Wow, we
nice.
haven't given one of those away yet today.
Yeah, very cool. We're gonna send that one right to you, okay? All right.
Okay.
All right. Thanks for calling. Man, oh man, we've had so many great callers today. I
We
think
really
have time
have.
for a couple more. You guys want to keep going?
Sure, let's go.
Let's do it. Is it Brianna?
Yes.
How are you?
Good.
Are you calling from Cockeysville Middle School?
Yes.
Wait a minute. Where'd I go? I can't see my face over the. Oh, there we go.
There you are.
Oh, yes. Okay. So what is your math problem for us today?
Lon bought 40 ounces of sliced ham. He used 3/4 of ham to make sandwiches for his friends and 1/5 of ham in an omelet.
Ooh.
How many ounces of ham were left?
All right, so he started with 40 ounces.
Yes.
And how much did he use for the first time?
3/4.
He used 3/4 of the 40.
Yes.
All right, so let's see how much that is. Let's do 3/4 times 40. And I like to put the 40 over 1. So it's 3/4. 3 times 40 is what? Or what's 4 times 3?
12.
12. And the reason I'm using multiplication is because I use the word of. So we're going to say this is 120 because there's a 1 0 in my factor. And I'm going to put that all over 4. So now we have 120 divided by 4. Do you know how much that is?
No.
4 goes into 12 how many times? 12 divided by 4 is 3, and then we're going to put a 0. So if he uses 3/4, so he's used 30 ounces of that ham on whatever he was making. So now he only has 10 ounces left. How much of those ounces does he use in the next thing that he makes?
1/5.
He uses 1/5.
Yes.
Okay. 1/5 of 10 ounces means 1/5 times 10 over 1. And we're going to do 1 times 10 is?
10.
Right. And 5 times 1 is?
5.
What's 10 divided by 5?
5. 2.
2 ounces.
Yes.
So he uses 30 ounces for the, what was the first thing he made? Ham slices?
Yeah. Well,
Ham
he
slices.
made
For lunches.
ham sandwiches.
For ham sandwiches. And then so he had 10 ounces left over, and he used the 1/5 of the 10 ounces to make something else. So that was 2 ounces. Do you know how many ounces he has left?
2. Wait, no. Wait.
10 minus 2?
Huh?
What's 10 minus 2? Well, I'll help you out. 10 minus 2 is 8.
Yes, you got it.
Okay, there you go. So he has, from his 40 ounces, he has 8 ounces left.
Wow.
That's
Not
pretty
bad.
impressive. Wasn't that neat?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Although
That's a
I
lot of
thought I
ham.
was the biggest ham.
You are, Max.
Ah.
Trust me.
All right, Brianna, it is time to spin the wheel. Let's do it. Here we go.
Yeah.
Yay! And it is a magic math kit. Very cool. We're going to
Wow.
send that one right out to you. Thank you, Brianna, very much for calling. Okie
You're
dokie.
welcome.
All right, bye-bye. All right, guys, this is something really cool. You know what we're going to do right now?
What?
We're running low on time, but we still had 3 callers call in, and we want to make sure that they get a prize.
All
So
right.
we're not going to have time to do the problem, but we definitely have time to spin the
Spin.
wheel. So, Kenya, Marissa, and Brianna, this is for you guys. We're going to spin the wheel, and whatever it lands on, all 3 of you are going to get that prize. Does that sound good?
Just spin the wheel.
MP3.
All right, let's do
MP3.
it. Here we go. Let's spin the wheel. Woo! Mega spin, Evan.
He's going to put 3 times the
Yes.
amount of force. Perfect.
Whoa! And it is awesome. It's water bottles. We're going to send those water bottles
Almost
out
an
right to you
MP3
guys.
player. It was that close.
Woo! That's okay. Water bottles are still really good to have.
Yeah, they are. I
Absolutely.
drink a lot of water.
Well, we thank all of our callers for calling in today. Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah, and that just about does it for our last show of 2011.
Wow, it's almost next year already?
Yep.
Yep. Congratulations to all of our prize wheel winners, and thanks to our guest spinner, Evan, from Pretty Boy Elementary School.
Good job, Evan. Remember, kids, we do re-air this episode of Math Homework Helpers throughout the week, so be sure to tell everybody to watch. From all of us here at Math Homework Helpers, we'll see you next year, January 11th, 2012,
Only here on BCPS-TV.
Woo! See you, everybody.
Happy New Year.
Bye-bye.